Buddies, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are going to test viral magic hacks to see whether they work or not. So now without wasting much time, let's get started. Let's go. Wait, before starting our video, have you subscribed to my channel? Not yet? Then subscribe now. I know that you will. So now let's go. This glass and I'm using this liquid food color. They use gel food color, and for applying this food color I'm using this cotton swab so that we don't mess up. So buddies, now we are done with our first step. After that, just place your hand like this so that other person can't see the food color. Then take your water and just pour it. And here we go, our magic works 100%. So buddies, you can see that this hack works 100%. So this means that you can also try this at home. So I know that most of my buddies know about this hack, and this is the easiest hack. So for this, just take your rubber band and do like this. After that, when you just open your fist, our rubber band transfer in our other two fingers. It's great. So for me, this hack works 100%, and this is the easiest hack, so you can also try this at home. So for this magic trick, we need 2 cells and we have to do something like this. Wait. So buddies, I want to tell you that before shooting this video, me and my mom tried this hack around 15 times and we both are not able to do this. So if you know that how can we do this, then just send me a clip on my Instagram account while doing this hack, and I will try this hack in my next video. Until that, this hack is not working for me as this is so tricky. So now let's just move to our next hack. Let's go. So before testing out this hack, if you are a trypophobe just like me, then just skip this hack, because for most of you this hack is not that much comfortable. Even I am a trypophobe, but I really want to test this hack, that's why I am doing this. So now let's go. So for this solution, we need our hand, and here we have our glue stick. Now let's just place our glue stick like them. Perfect. Now we need our foundation. So now let's just start applying our foundation. So now we have to just take our toothpick and now let's start making holes in it. So now we are done with our holes, let's start coloring them. So buddies, now our illusion is completely ready. It works. It's so creepy. It's so disgusting. I don't like this. But it works. Like this hack works 100%. You can try this at home. Ew! So for this hack, I am using 10 rupees and you have to fold it like this. Then take a piece of a tissue paper and place it like this. Now take your lighter and burn the tissue paper. So buddies, when the fire comes to the end, just shake your hand fast like this, and that's it. So this hack works 100%, but it's kinda harmful that you can even burn yourself. So for me, this hack works, but it's your choice if you want to try this at home or not. So for this hack, here I'm using this 100 rupee note, and you have to just place it like this. Now take your coin and place it on the top of our note. So buddies, you can see that it's balancing. So now let's just move our note. So buddies, you can see that this hack works 100%. But make sure that you move your note slowly and don't shake your hands too much. So that's all about today's video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram ID is creative_letsbe. So go and follow me there also. Till next video. Bye.